Hi guys, I'm Dinithi. This is the 40th video of the series of designing an e-commerce web application, and today I'm going to take you guys through the admin sign-in process. So here's my admin sign-in page. First, let's add our email address. Then send verification code. Okay, so I got the verification code. Let's copy it and paste and verify. Yep, I successfully got into the admin panel. Now let's check out the code. So here's my code for the admin sign-in page. I've assigned this admin verification function on click. So let's check that out first. So here's the function. First, I created this AV global variable. Then when it comes to the function, I started it with assigning our email address to this email variable. Then I created a new form and appended the value of email to it. Then I created a new XML HTTP request and sent my request to admin verification process.php using post method. Moving on to that, so I explained this whole thing line by line in my 5th video. So I'm not going to explain this once again. Let's just go through it briefly. So here I got my database. Then I used these files and this PHP mail class to send the verification code by email. Then I checked whether the email we got using post method actually has value or not. And if not, then email field should not be empty. But if yes, then I assign that value to this email variable. Then I got all the details from admin table where email equals to our email address. Then I got the number of rows of the result set, and if that's greater than 0, then I created the verification code using this unique ID function and sent the mail while updating the database using this whole thing. But if num rows isn't greater than 0, then the response text will be you are not a valid user. And then over here, if sending mail wasn't successful, then this will echo verification code sending failed, else success. Moving back to the script, so if I get the response text as success, then I displayed the admin verification model using these lines, else I sent the response text as an alert. So here's my admin verification model. This is the same as the model we discussed in forgot password process. Over here, I called for this verify function on click. Moving on to that, so here's the function. First, I assign the code to this verification variable. Then I created a new XML HTTP request and sent my request to the server using get method. So here's verification process.php. First, I started a session and connected my database as usual. Then I checked whether the verification code we got using get method actually has a value or not. And if not, then the response text will be please enter your verification code. But if yes, then I assigned that to this v variable. Then I got all the data from the admin table where verification code equals to v. Then I got the number of rows of the result set, and if that equals to 1, then I fetched that row and assigned it to this data variable and assigned that to this session AU variable, and I got success. Else if num doesn't equal to 1, then I echoed invalid verification code. Moving back to the function, over here, if I get the response text as success, then I hit the model while changing the window location to admin.panel.php. Else I sent the response text as an alert. So that's pretty much it for this video. In this video, we went through the admin sign-in process. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you all again. Goodbye.